Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have one of our certified pre-owned 2017 Land Rover Discoveries. As you can see, this is 3-row. You can drop these seats down, of course. Pretty nice. Under the hood is a supercharged V6, 3.0 liter to be exact. Nice Discovery badging right up here. And of course across the front. Good amount of room out back. Seats are nice and comfortable. Like the Land Rover badging right there. Meridian sound system on this model. Really nice interior, to be completely honest. Comes with your owner's manual. Trying to see if I had the window sticker. Aha! Little hidden storage compartment there. That's for the rear one. You have these nice armrests because the distance here is a little much, so you can just sit there and put it right there. Right now I have mud and ruts activated because there's a couple big ruts. Kind of see what this is like off-road. Not bad at all. Deactivate, go over, push it down. And it moves. What's nice is with the radio off, you can hear a little bit of that supercharger whine. Not sure how much is going to come across on camera, but it sounds absolutely phenomenal. Everything in here is really refined, as it should be for a Land Rover. Steering wheel is really nice. I like it a lot. Wow. That is absolutely phenomenal. Really, really good amount of torque, great amount of power. And you just put it into normal drive. And it's extremely relaxing to drive. That's actually the first Land Rover I've ever driven. I'm definitely impressed. What's nice about our certification program is you don't have to worry about much of anything. You have 1 year of tire hazard protection, 1 year travel. What is that? 1 year of travel expense reimbursement. That's it. I'm trying to read that backwards. Basically, this is probably the nicest 2017 Discovery on the market, or at least one of, in order for it to become certified. I also like how the manual mode is command shift. It's pretty cool. Definitely makes you feel like you're, well, in command. Ride is really, really nice. Dropping down into access height. Does handle really well. Sitting in traffic, super comfortable, can't complain at all. You also have a little storage cubby where the climate controls are at. You can access all that. Wow, this is superb. overall, I definitely think this thing is a bargain for what you're getting. This thing's in absolute mint condition. No complaints whatsoever, and the driving experience is phenomenal. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.